In this module, we have explained that the purpose of finding groups or patterns or segments within data in the context of business analytics is to improve your business efficiency. That is, to find the right balance between treating different cases differently to achieve effectiveness and treating similar cases similarly to achieve economies of scale. That's why clustering is the perfect tool in this context. Clustering helps us achieving those objectives by identifying similar cases, that is, minimizing the distance between observations within the same cluster, from dissimilar ones, that is, maximizing the distance between clusters. We have seen 3 examples. A simplistic example from supply chain analytics, where common sense could be used to distinguish groups of products that would be managed similarly in terms of supply chain management. Second, a multidimensional example from HR analytics, where we could detect different explanations for employees who leave the company, allowing us to retain them more efficiently. The third example is an introduction to customer segmentation, where we analyzed the consumer's product usage in telecommunications in order to identify groups of similar habits and serve our customer base more efficiently. We have seen that what drives our analysis is not technical. Instead, we are driven by the business issues and we assess whether our results are actionable or not, and whether our recommendations are efficient or not. For each example, we spend some time to understand how our results could be reported relevantly for a business audience. When we need to convince others to change the way they do business, even if the message is complex. Actually, particularly when the message is complex, you need to communicate effectively and clearly. You can replicate all the examples that are presented in class thanks to the recital where we provided R scripts and data to allow you to understand better how it works in practice. And I would advise that you try to play with the data yourself as much as you can.